How to hide your Instagram followers and following list. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to hide your Instagram followers and following list on your account, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the Instagram app. And now when we are on the Instagram app, and let's say that I want to hide my followers and following list so that people that visit my account will not be able to see it basically. So the first way and probably the easiest way to do so is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then we need to click where it says settings. Perfect. In here we need to click where it says privacy. Great, I'm just going to disable this one. So basically the first setting here that we can try is the one that says private account. So basically we need to enable this function. Perfect, and now I'm going to click where it says switch to private. Great, I'm now going to go back to my account. Perfect. Basically, I have now made my account private, which means that if somebody will visit my account and they are not following me, then they will not be able to see my followers and following list, basically. So that is one way that you can actually hide it. If you want to hide it in another way, there's actually another way that I'm going to show you right now. Basically, if you want to hide it from like specific users or multiple users, then what you can do is to actually, I'm just going to find one user here, for example, this one right here. So let's say that I want to hide this user here from basically being able to see my followers and following list. Then I need to click on the three dots in the top right corner. And now I need to click where it says restrict. Perfect. Basically, this account is now like restricted from my profile, so they will not be able to see my followers and following list. You can also go back and click on the three dots again. You can also block this user, then they will not be able to find you like on Instagram basically. If they search for your username on Instagram, they will not be able to find you at all. So that is another way you can actually do this. I'm just going to go back to my profile once again. Just a second. Perfect. So basically, these two ways are the easiest and the most effective ways to actually hide your followers and following list on Instagram right now. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.